Hi, I am Zero2Webmaster Founder Dr. Kerry Kriger. I'm going to show you how to grant your developer access to your Cloudflare account so that they can alter your DNS settings, which is important in web development. So you're not going to give them full control over your account, just what they need. So all you do is be logged into Cloudflare, come down to the bottom, manage account, click members, and this gets you right here. Invite members to join your account. That's what you want. Click invite, put in their email address. Come down to scope right here. Well, actually, you have to click add that email address. And then for scope, include a specific domain. What domain do you want? Go click one that you want to give them access to. And then down here, domain scoped roles, choose domain DNS, continue to summary. All right, so here it says we're going to send this person access to this domain and give them permission to edit DNS settings. Invite, and you are done. That's it right there. I hope that helps. Bye.